Across the airwaves, strange broadcasts echo in the night, robotic voices repeating sequences of numbers punctuated by tones and cryptic sounds. This is the world of number stations, secretive transmissions with unknown operators. Today, we're uncovering one of the most mysterious number stations, M32. So what is M32? Who operates it? And what does it mean? Stay with us and we'll investigate the enigmatic signal. M32 is a number station that transmits coded messages using a monotone synthetic voice. These transmissions, often in German, have been reported for decades, but unlike many other number stations, M32 has a very distinctive audio pattern.
Урок 65, урок 65, я дракон 18, я дракон 18, принимаю вас плохо, следите, для вас...
The robotic voice reads numbers in sequences, likely intended for intelligence purposes, but M32 is different from the well-known Lincolnshire poacher, E03 or UVB76, also known as the buzzer. It follows a unique format, making it stand out among number stations. To understand M32, we must go back to the Cold War shortwave radio. Shortwave radio has been a tool for espionage used by intelligence agencies to communicate with agents abroad. Many believe M32 was, or still is, run by the German intelligence services. First reported in the mid to late 20th century, M32 has been linked to West Germany's intelligence agency, the BND. The station was believed to send coded instructions to undercover agents across Europe. M32 follows a structured transmission pattern. It typically operates on the shortwave frequencies, broadcasting at scheduled times. Each transmission begins with an identification sequence followed by a coded message. The voice is mistakenly synthetic, possibly generated using early speech synthesis system. The use of numbers suggests a one-time pad, cytographer, an unbreakable encryption method was used to crack the code. There are many theories about M32's purpose. Some believe it was an active Cold War intelligence tool, whilst others suggest it's still in use today. Let's break down the possibilities. M32 was operated by the BND for covert operations. Military communications, it could be a part of encrypted military messaging systems. Some speculate that it was also used for training intelligence officers, although number stations have largely declined since the Cold War. M32's occasional activity suggests some stations remain operational. Whilst many of number stations have gone silent sporadically, with sporadic transmissions of M32 has been reported as recent as the late 2010s. Does this mean that it's still in use, or remains dead of an era? Some listeners have claimed to hear distorted or incomplete transmissions, raising the question of whether it's an abandoned frequency or an active intelligence operation. The truth about M32 remains unknown, whether it is a Cold War relic or part of a still active intelligence network. Its signals continue to intrigue those who listen. So, next time you tune into the shortwave radio and you hear an unfamiliar voice reading numbers, you might just be listening to a history in action. Although most people have suggested that M32 is no longer alive. If you have enjoyed this deep dive into M32, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Have you ever heard of number station yourself? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye for now.
Раскат 01, раскат 01, я на борт 05, на связь.